we were just coming in from noon hour as this large gust of wind started coming up. It really didn't see, it wasn't very strong at first, and then hail came, large hailstones, approximately about the size of a golf ball. They lasted for about 30 seconds, and then the roof of the lower main building popped off, the windows popped out, and the walls started coming down. At this time, half of our students were in, half were out. And then when I saw this, I got the ones that were outside behind our building, and so then about that time the roof of our building came off, but it blew over us, and the rest of the debris was blowing past us because we were close to the building. The main force lasted approximately 45 seconds, completely demolished all of our school, all of it. The walls were completely laid down, both walls. The gym was completely laid down. At the time, there were some students in the gym when this was taking place. We were having an assembly there, but they were more or less lucky because when the roof popped off of the gym, they were blown out of the gym into the halls. And this helped them quite a bit. And then it only lasted a short time, and then everyone was out.